welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your Twitter account private using your computer. If you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then go to twitter.com. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on this More button or section at the left side of your screen and click on Settings and Support. Once you've done that, just go ahead again and click on Settings, and then you want to click on Privacy and Safety. And now you can see here at the Your Twitter Activity section, you can see you can see your tweets. No, now you can see here, audience and tagging. Okay, again, so that I want to be clear, you want to go to the More section, Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, and then audience and tagging. And now here you can see Protect Your Tweets, and there's this button or this square shape at the right side of it, so you just want to click on that, and here this will make them visible only to your Twitter followers. So just go ahead and click Protect, and here when selected, your tweets and other accounts information are only visible to people who follow you. So that's it. That's how you put your Twitter account on private. And if you want to switch it back to public, just go ahead and uncheck that box. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.